Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quan Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma. And with us, we have Ramakrishna, who's from Karnataka. He took up his TCS NQT 2020 today, that is 17th of November. And that too, he had it at 5:30, just 1 hour back. So, many queries we received saying that, sir, when will it start in Karnataka? And it has started from today. So, without wasting any time, let us start taking his interview experience. Hi, Ramakrishna. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, so you look quite happy. Your interview
Yes, sir.
went well.
Yes, sir. It went well. Like I didn't. I had seen some experience videos from Count Masters, and some same questions were repeated.
Okay, okay. So Ramakrishna, right from the day that you received the slot, when did you receive the slot, Ramakrishna?
I received a slot on Sunday, and
Sunday.
I had it on today. That's Tuesday.
Okay. Today is Wednesday or Tuesday?
Tuesday, sir.
Tuesday, oh? Okay, okay. So Tuesday you had at what time? 5:30, 17 November,
4:30.
4:30 you had.
4:30.
Okay,
4:30
okay,
p.m.
okay.
And it's on Cisco WebEx.
WebEx it was conducted.
Yes,
So
sir.
as soon as you entered
Yes, sir.
Cisco WebEx, how many people were there?
Like I had to wait 10 minutes. Then there are three people.
Hmm.
Like I didn't know who are HR and TR, and they didn't introduce their self. Like I felt like they might be in a hurry. Like
Huh.
but like they started in first they waited for 1 minute. Like my audio was getting connected.
Huh.
Then they started questioning.
Okay.
Like two people on their camera and one they didn't on their camera.
Okay. So one was off and you could see two people.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Like then who are asked, then they passed their question. Like first first person who are asking, like he on their camera, on
Hmm.
his camera.
Hmm.
Then next like who will be asking question, he will on their camera,
It's on
like
the
that.
camera and the remaining will be off.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what was the questions asked from the start?
Like from the start, first they ask about, tell me about yourself.
So
That was the
sorry to
first question.
interrupt. You are from mechanical department, if I'm not
Yes,
wrong.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Please continue.
Yes, sir. Then I said about from where I am and
Hmm.
some what I have done. Like then he started like, you are from mechanical department. Then he said, tell me a second law of thermodynamics.
Hmm.
And then okay, I said that. Again he said about tell me a working principle of hydraulic jack and
Oh,
how it works.
they are asking core branch questions to
Core
you.
branch questions. Like, yes, sir. I didn't expect like he'll be asking such questions. Then
Because
he asked,
till now, no, Ramakrishna, we have
yes, sir.
interviewed so many people have called, asked also. Nobody
Yes, sir.
from mechanical or non-IT branches have told that they have asked about our core branches,
Yes,
especially
sir.
from TCS NQT.
Yes, sir.
So you
Even
are the first
I have
one.
asked my friends. Yes,
You
sir.
are the first one to whom I am hearing that they asked core branch
Core.
related.
Yes, sir. Even I asked my friends who are in morning. Like
Huh,
even they did say they didn't even get one question from core branch.
okay.
But I am the first one who got such questions.
So
Then
you're
he
the
asked,
only one from your college who got.
maybe sir, like yeah,
Okay.
I am the only one. Like there are one more person, but I didn't ask what he got,
Okay.
which question he got. And
Okay.
then he asked about the laws on which it works.
Hmm.
Then he started asking about programming. Like he said, oh, okay, sir.
Mechanical, what all did he ask? Can you please repeat?
Yes, sir. Like second law of thermodynamics, then
Hmm.
working of
Hmm.
hydraulic jack, and then on which law does that hydraulic jack work,
Hmm.
working principle.
Hmm.
And he asked like he asked some application question like, can we change fluid in hydraulic jack?
Hmm.
Like can we use different fluid and all?
Hmm.
Like such questions, sir.
Okay.
And then he asked, then he went to programming level. Like he asked me, like which programming are you familiar with?
Huh.
Then I said about I am okay with C, and to Python I am just okay with the basics. I have not familiar with so much familiar with Python.
Hmm.
Then he asked to share the screen, and he said to open the notepad.
Hmm.
Then he said me asked me to write a program on like just a program on palindrome.
Hmm.
Like he said one number, and you have to no need to write complete program. You just write the logic, like
Hmm.
how we will interchange, or
Hmm.
how you will find it is palindrome and all.
Hmm.
So I wrote, sir. Then I wrote just a logic, how much in short, how I can write, then I wrote like that.
Palindrome of a number or a string?
Palindrome of a number. He asked me
Number.
palindrome of a number.
Okay.
Then he asked me some definitions like, do you know about arrays? Then he asked about wait, sir, like okay. Then he asked about tell me about your wait. He asked about this recursion. Do you know about recursion and all?
Okay.
Recursion. And then I said I know about it. Then he asked me to, can you write a program on it? Like I said, I don't know. Like I don't know how to write a program on a recursion. Then he said me that you write a program on factorial. So I said I need to write a recursion. Oh, it's okay if you write simple without recursion. And then I wrote how much I knew, like how I was able to write, so that I wrote. Then he said like then he asked one more question in between. I forgot to say that he asked about the project. Final project. So I said I'm yet to begin with it. He wanted to ask some more questions, but then I said like I'm yet to begin with it. Then he stopped it, and he continued programming. Then he passed the question to next panelist. There she was a lady. Like even she continued in that programming. Like two questions she added. Like she said some question in between programming only. Like what how it will work and all. Then I think then she said about how where would you like to be in next 5 years, what are your future goals. Like that she combined 2-3 questions and all like this. So I said like I have seen in interview experience videos like how to answer such questions. So I said then she said like okay, and are you having any plan of higher studies? Like I think maybe she might have said based on my score. Then I said no, I have no plans of higher studies. Then she said about she said one more question. Higher studies, okay. Then she passed the question to next one. And again she asked the same, like are you planning of higher studies? Then she asked me about where would you like to work in TCS center? So I said I am okay with anyone, any center. Like I love to explore places and then she said okay. Then it was about 5-7 something. Then she said okay, we are done with it. We will mail you regarding your recruitment. If you are, we will mail you the feedback. She said.
Okay. So that's all technical.
Yes, sir.
Did you
Yes, sir.
were you able to answer that question regarding first question was they asked reversing a number. Were you able to do that palindrome?
Yes, sir. I like palindrome. I was able to do it as he didn't. First person was a gentleman, so he didn't ask me full program. He didn't just ask me the logic, so I was able to do it.
Okay, you didn't know the logic for factorial.
Yeah, I knew, but I didn't know how to do it with the recursion. I had some confusion, so I didn't wanted to show it.
Okay. And regarding your project, did they ask in detail about your project?
Like they said me to explain in short. Like I explained in short how is it, what and all we have to do. But when they went to detail, and I said we are yet to begin. Like they were going to ask like how many of people are there in the project group and how the work is being distributed. Then I said like we are yet to begin.
Okay. Internships, did they ask about your internships?
No, sir. No, sir.
No internships.
So maybe I had no internship in IT companies and all.
Okay.
Maybe for that they didn't ask.
Okay. Anything else which they ask you? Didn't they ask you any question to ask? Do you have any question to ask us?
No, sir. No, sir. They didn't say.
Okay.
Then next to I finished it in 5-7 something. Next person was from same college only. Means he was one of my friends, so he was calling me. Maybe they were ready to join him.
Okay. Fine. So that is what Ramakrishna, even morning, one of your friend Akhilesh, even he called, even he told that he is from mechanical department. Am I right?
Yes, sir. But he didn't get any mechanical questions.
Correct. He didn't get anything. He got the same questions which we discussed in our videos.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So
he got the same questions.
Yeah, he got. So you are the only one or one of the two who got branch related. So this interview is quite unique because your interview is quite unique. Nobody had got branch specific which you got.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, and there are few queries also, Ramakrishna, regarding students saying that, sir, can we update our resume? This is the first question. Wherever we post a video, no, there
Yes,
are
sir.
5 to 6 comments saying that, sir, can we update our resume? So do you have any idea about this?
Yes, sir. But in my interview, they didn't ask me to share my screen, and they even didn't ask any document. Like in first during when the interview started, they asked me to show government ID. That's all.
Okay.
Then they didn't discuss about resume and all. Like I didn't. I think like we can't update it. It's risky to update it last moment.
Correct. So few of my students told that, sir, we are not able to update. Few of my students told, yes, sir, we are able to update. So do watch my previous videos. I have given in detail explanation about updating the CV. If you are updating, how should you update? What should you add? What should you not add? What should you not subtract? All this I've told in my previous video. Okay, so few people are able to update, few people are not able to update. And there is one more query saying that, sir, what is this batched?
That's even I don't know.
Batched
Like
something like, it just shows now few people status have got batched, which means few have got selected, few have not got selected. Batched is nothing but it shows that, your interviewers, your first round has been conducted successfully. That is the only meaning of batched. Okay, so it does not mean that you are clearing the first round, or it does not mean you're getting rejected in the first round. Okay, it's just that your first round has been conducted successfully. This is the meaning of batch. And one more doubt which many people had, Ramakrishna, is like, sir, we have still not got our NQT mails, especially people from Karnataka. Okay, there are people who are still getting it even today. Even today, there are people who are getting that you have cleared your NQT. We will remind you about your slots. So you don't have to worry. Okay, and there are people today, many of my students texted saying that, sir, we have got a mail saying that we are the toppers of NQT. Okay, and they are getting DRC and all right now. Already digital coding round has been conducted. There will be another digital coding round. And there are many students who are receiving mails now. So you don't have to worry if you have not received the mail, you will receive it. And if you are from Karnataka, definitely you will receive it within 7 to 8 days for sure. Am I right,
yes,
Ramakrishna?
sir. Yes, sir. And I think batch means when I have got the mail regarding interview, then
Hmm.
the status was updated as batch in TCS next step portal.
Okay.
Like when my interview was schedule was fixed, then they have updated as batch.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe there may be the link.
That is what batch means. Might be that few are selected, few are rejected. It does not mean that you are selected for sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this was interview sharing experience by a student from Karnataka, Ramakrishna. I hope we have justified your time. We have provided the much needed information, which was asked not only to a mechanical student, but all the branches. They are not asking core, but only his interview. They asked few core branch related questions. That is why we had him on board, discuss all the questions asked. So Ramakrishna, thank you very much for your time, your information which you shared. Uh,
Thank you very much, sir. And even the quant master training helped me a lot. During first of all, I didn't expect like I would clear NQT test, but by the quant master training I have gained, I was able to clear it. And then in even in interview, there's some questions I have got many help from quant master experience videos.
but I'm not happy because you were not able to crack that recursion. No, that somewhere
Yes, sir.
I'm like your preparation could have been better.
Yes, sir. Even I feel like my preparation could have been better.
That is where I'm really, I'm quite sad regarding that because you could have prepared better. And that was simple programs, pattern
Yes, sir.
program. We
Yes, sir.
had told you basically pattern programs, all this keep practicing the basic.
Yes, sir.
Correct? No, Ramakrishna.
Yes, sir.
Opportunity comes very less. Try to grab them. Okay,
Yes,
put
sir.
your burn 100% if needed.
Yes, sir.
Uh, so thank you very much for your time, and we will keep uploading more and more. If you want to share your experience, I have put my WhatsApp number below. You can feel free to WhatsApp me and share your experience. We would love to have you on board and try to help as many people as possible with the interview questions which was asked. Thank you very much. Take care and keep smiling, people.